Yo girlies, it's me Mia, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, you're dusty. Yo girlies, it's me Mia, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video could potentially be quite chaotic. I just got my sleeve dirty. But today I'm getting ready for the last day of school ever, my last day of year 11. Scary, but I'm so excited. So I just used Smashbox Vitamin Glow primer thing. I'm wearing my Leavers hoodie. I'm not going to show the back because it's got people's names on it, but I've got Maya on it, inside jokes, and I'm wearing a purple tennis skirt. It's just like that colour, you get the gist. And I just got a white top underneath, but I don't know whether I'll get dress coded for that. I'm in school until 1 o'clock, so I've got my first 2 lessons, then we got 45 minutes shirt signing at some point, and we got like an hour and a bit Leavers assembly, which is whatever, but I'm so excited to leave forever and ever and ever, because I'm going to college next year, and I'm quite excited because I'm doing media, so I'm doing like video and photography and stuff, and then also like podcasts and stuff in the course I'm doing, so that's exciting. Ow. It's proper kicked my knee in. Mum's a bit chaotic. My friends are coming over to get ready later for something we're doing, and my room's clean and stuff. It's just like there's a couple bits out of its place, and oh my god, I scraped my knee. But I'll do that in a second before I leave, because I woke up early. Well, not early, I woke up on time, but you know, same thing. It deserves the same appreciation. I'm like so excited though. Also, look at this Apple case I got, and I've got a Nutella one. It's really cute as well. I used the MUA Pro Base foundation, now I'm using this concealer. It's okay, it's not great, it's okay. But I didn't get a prom. A couple schools have gotten proms. I've seen loads of like Americans online on like social media with their prom dresses, but to be honest, I'm like okay not having a prom, because I don't really want to go with, which isn't a big deal because I could have gone with my friends, but you get what I mean. I feel like it just would have been stressful. It would have been a good time, hopefully, surely, but I'm alright with that one, to be fair. I'm just excited to leave. Peace out. I don't know what to talk about. What do I talk about? Oh, loads of people decorated the back of their shirts. I literally just put the years I was in school in pink, like I painted it, and then I painted my friend Blaze's name on. I need to put the year on hers in pen, but I put her name on the back of hers because my friend Blaze, you all know Blaze, got kicked out, or what they called early leave, because she had red hair, which she had before. It was just like a little bit brighter. Her hair colour comes out in 2 days because she washes her hair every day, so it wasn't really a problem, but they were like, yeah, no, you can leave and not come back. So she's been in for the past 2 weeks. I'm gonna do the shirt sign thing for her, so we'll see how that goes. I need to pack my bag. Why am I so chaotic? I literally could have done this yesterday, but to be fair, I was stressing about an outfit yesterday for non-school uniform and what I'm doing later, so it's not really my fault now, is it? Let me know what you guys are doing if you're leaving school. I know quite a lot of my viewers, I think most of my viewers are like late teens sort of thing, so let me know what you do in school, because that's a fun question to ask. I've been so lazy with makeup recently. We had to have like class pictures. I've literally just stood in the corner going, but I don't care, so it doesn't matter. This jumper's already so grubby and I've had it 2 days. Whoopsie daisy. Not my fault. I'm using the Makeup Revolution like peach loose powder. I need 2 eyebrows. I actually used the foolproof brow powder from Benefit with the Benefit brush. And now I'm just going to use a bit of Gimme Brow Plus, also in shade 3. It's quite a mix of people going sixth form and college though. Like I've had more people say they're going college, because actually a few people like know what they want to do, which I found quite interesting, because I didn't really know what to expect, but then there are the odd few that are going sixth form. This is not the best brush for bronzer. Why did I do that? It was so sunny yesterday, but it looks quite gloomy and windy today, so hopefully that improves. If not, oh well. I just used my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. I just used this shade. And then I'm going to use some of the California blush from my Benefit palette. Sweet Lip blush here. This is so uneventful, but I don't know what to say. I'm going to get my friend Ella to plait my hair, because then I can have it like it all day and this evening. I'm just using an Eyeliner mascara, I believe. Yeah, it's like a blending care one. It's supposed to be mixed with fake lashes, but it's got a really nice wand, so... Oh no, wait. No. I use the Mega Length from Wet n Wild first, then I use that. Then for highlighter, I'm going to use the Dandelion highlighter. I used to feel like mixed about this, like I wasn't too sure, but I like it now, so... It's really cute. Look how pretty. It's just cute, you know? We love it. Yeah. To be honest, I don't think I'm going to cry. A couple of my friends have gone, yeah, I'm probably going to cry, but then a couple of them said no. I don't think I will. Also, I'm not good with, like, change. Like, it doesn't hit me that, like, I'm never going to see some of these people again. Probably, so. But I'm okay with that. For lips, I'm going to use a tiny bit of this Essence lip liner. It's the Stay 8 Hour Lip Liner Waterproof with Sharpener in shade 01 Curious. I'm just going to like lightly blend that on the edges of my lips, and then I'm going to fill it in with Bubbles from e.l.f. It's like a lip gloss. It's like clear and sparkly. Okay guys, period. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair until I get it plaited. I might just keep it down, to be honest. Okay, period. So, don't know what I'm going to do with the hair, but okay, so I don't know what I'm going to do with my hair, but I'm going to leave you now because I need to call my friend and just finish up my room and my bag. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry it's not long. Love you lots. Kisses. See you soon.